Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always stopping by, liking, commenting and subscribing. For the new ones, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Feel free to tell us what you want on the comment section and stay tuned on today's episode on Joda Akbar. Don't forget that if you are interested and would want me to upload on This Is Fate, go straight to God's Missing Nollywood TV and subscribe. Thank you. Haida comes to place in palace where Jalal ordered to drop Adam Khan and kill him. He says, "Hope, Father Adam, that I take revenge from Jalal." Minister comes there and says that you come here every day. Salim comes there and greets Adam. Haida asks, "How is he?" Salim says, "When all my brothers are with me, then I am happy." He hugs Haida. Haida smirks. Salim says, "I remember everything." Haida asks, "What about your parents?" Salim says, "I remember everything about King Jalal and Mariam Zamani." He leaves. Haida says to his minister that he didn't listen to what Salim said. He smirks. Minister asks, "What's wrong with that?" Haida says, "Not forgetting someone and keep remembering them is both different." Joda comes to Shaguni Bai. She says to Joda that he came back. Joda says, "Yes, my son returned." Shaguni says, "Not your son, but King has come, and now his love story will start." Joda says, "He has come now, and you're talking about love?" Shaguni says, "Soon, he's going to meet his love." Joda says, "You're right. All princes want to marry him." Salim comes in the market. People chant for him. Joda asks, "What kind of princess would Salim get?" Shaguni says, "You are thinking that he will love a princess." She laughs and says, "You will understand soon." She says, "Your son will have unique love story, which will start from hatred, like you used to hate Jalal. Salim has come and now she is going to come too." Anakali's entry is shown. Salim passes by her and she says that, "I don't want to see Salim's face. I just hate him. Because of him, my life changed. So much happened." Her friend calls her Nadira. She says, "Don't call me Nadira, as I hate it because Salim called me with this name. Call me Anakali." Her face is shown. She says, "Let's go from here." Shaguni says to Joda, "The thousands of girls will wait for Salim's glance, but he will not see them. His eyes will stop at her only." Joda comes to Jalal. Jalal asks, "Walk?" Joda says, "Can't I meet you without walk?" Jalal is in bathtub. He asks her to come closer. Joda applies Hedion to him. Jalal says, "You must be happy that your son has come, but why are you here leaving him?" Joda says, "You always biker that I give attention to Salim, but when I am with you, you are asking me to go." Joda asks Jalal, "Why didn't you apply medicine on your hand?" Jalal says, "I don't want to feel this wound. This wound makes me remember that my son has become warrior. He injured me and showed his skills. And didn't you see that he is not angry with you? He came to you first, to his mother." Joda says, "Not mother, but Mariam Zamani." Jalal calls Desi and orders to call everyone in court. Joda says, "What are you up to now? Don't scold Salim now. Don't punish him. He was just giving me respect." Jalal says, "Don't worry. I won't say anything. I will tell Salim only that for which I have called him." Salim recalls how Jalal punished him in childhood. He says to Kutub that, "I'm suffocating here. This place just makes my wounds pain again." Kutub asks him to move on. Salim says, "I can't forget how I stood under the sun in this palace, how Mariam Zamani never stopped me when I was leaving." Kutub says, "It's not like that. You were not here, but I have seen Jalal and Joda waiting for you for 7 years. They used to keep looking at doors to see you return." Farhan says Kutub is right. Here? Salim says, "I am not here." He says to Kutub that, "I try to forget, but I can't forget that my parents sent me away from here. I can't forget that Jalal sent me in war. I don't want to live here. I want to go to war again. I found peace in Warfield and here. I came here on Hamida's insistence, but I will leave from here soon. I am just a common soldier." Desi calls Salim in court. Salim comes in court. All greet him. Then Jalal comes in court. All greet him. Jalal says that Humayun started a tradition. He divided states between his sons. "So today I will divide states in my sons." Jalal calls Murad first and gives him state. Then he gives states to Daniel. Then to daughters Arambano, Shakun Misar. All kids have different mothers, but have one father. That is Jalal. So guys, in case you keep asking who is this, Jalal has all the children. He's a father, but different mothers. Jalal calls Salim then. He comes. Jalal says it's time that Salim take his responsibility. I want him to sit in special court and take positions of Bayram Khan. A turban and sword is brought there to officially make Salim part of court. Jalal is about to make him wear turban, but Salim stops him. All are shocked. Salim says to Jalal that I am sorry, but I am not ready for this responsibility. All are stunned. Jalal looks at Joda. Salim says to Jalal that I am not ready for responsibility. All are stunned. Jalal says, I want to talk to her in person. You all leave. All leaves. Salim says to Jalal that I didn't mean to insult you, but I am not ready. Jalal asks why. Salim says, why? If you wanted me to be king, then why did you send me away? If you love me, then why did you send me in the warfield? Why? Jalal calls soldiers and asks them to arrest Salim. Salim says, don't come near me. Jalal shouts on soldiers to arrest him. Salim takes out his sword to fight with them. Soon, Salim overpowers them and starts beating them. He beats all the soldiers. Jalal looks on. Salim wins over them. Jalal comes to Salim and says that my soldiers got less in front of you, but not your strength. I think now you know why I did send you in warfield. I wanted to make you a warrior and say, now, you are a great soldier. You alone can fight whole army, but along with soldiers, I want to make you great king too. That's why I called in court, so that you learn things here. I have hopes with you, my child. I hope that you understand that. Salim says in childhood you decided what I should learn, but now I will decide what I will learn. And if you think I am insulting you, then you can punish me again and send me in field again. But the truth is that I am not ready to be here. He leaves. Salim comes out. Joda tries to talk to him, but he leaves. Joda says to Moti that I am feeling tensed. Maybe Jalal and Salim fought. Moti says they think differently. Jalal thinks like king and Salim thinks from heart. Joda says I won't let my family break. I won't let them fight. Salim is going. Some princess start following him. Salim comes in ruin and looks at his sword. He takes off his dress and his bare body now. He takes sword and starts practicing it. All princes are watching him stealthily. One princess says that I don't know who is going to be his princess. And Akali's friend says to her that because of you, we couldn't see Salim. And Akali asks what's so special in him. She says that he is handsome, eligible bachelor, and next king. And Akali says he doesn't have heart. I just hate him. Friends say that there is fine line between hate and love, and you don't cross it. She says we are near Amir, and I have heard that princess here are waiting for him, but you just hate him. Who is dream of every girl? And Akali says it's dream for me too, a name because of whom I had to change my name too. Today all hates me in Agra because they think that because of me Salim had to leave Agra. I couldn't even complete my education because of him. That's why I hate him. She recalls his acts in childhood, how he had pushed her in pool, then how she left Agra because of him. Flashback ends. She says to her friend that girls may be dying to marry him, but I am sure who will marry him will live a sad life forever. She will get everything except 2 words of love. Salim is going to be cruel, heartless king. I can only say one word for him. That is hatred, not love. Other side, Salim is practicing with full energy. Joda comes to Jalal and asks, what did you say to Salim now? Jalal says, ask him why he denied me. Joda says his thinking can't be like you. And why do you want to make him your robot? You should follow your orders blindly. Who should follow your orders blindly? You must want him to follow this path. Jalal says, I don't want him to be weak. Joda says, thinking from heart is not weakness. Give him time. Jalal says, I have given him 7 years. How much time does he need now? Time doesn't stop for anyone. Time will move and Salim will be left behind. I don't want Salim to be left behind. You know I took responsibility in a very young age. I got to learn many things. I want Salim to learn same. I want Salim to control time. I am not worried about my child now. King is like father to nation. I am worried about kids too. I want to give them a great king so that they respect Salim. For that, Salim have to listen to me. I have only that wish. I don't want anyone to come in between that wish. I won't tolerate that. Joda is stunned. Haida looks at Pigeon. He takes it out from cage and separates the pigeon cobble. His paternal uncle asks, what are you doing? Haida says that Salim insulted Jalal in front of all. This means some fire is between them, and I will ignite this fire as enemies of Jalal are my friends. So I will support Salim to make him away from Jalal, very far from Jalal. Tudamel reads letter of Barmal to Jalal. Then Mansingh will be announced as son of Amir. Jalal and Joda smile. He invites Jalal with his family and Man to come in Amir. Jalal says to Man that I have already given you title and you deserve this title too. So I am ready to go, but I don't know if Salim will be ready to go to Amir or not. Joda says I will make him agree to accompany us. Joda is going. Salima asks, where are you going? She says Man is going to be announced as king of Amir. So I am going to Salim to ask him to come to Amir. Salima says go. Salim is about to take opium. Joda comes there. She says, what happened in court was wrong. If you find something wrong, then share with me. I am your mother. Salim says, I don't like Jalal's order. He is stubborn and wants all to follow his orders. He wants to make me his robot. So Joda says, so Jalal accepted what you want. He didn't force you. I have to tell you that man is announced as king of Amir. We all are going there. Salim is getting jittery because of not taking opium. He says to Joda that I have no mood to go there. You all go. Joda says, man is your brother. He is your guard. If you don't come, then he will feel bad. Please understand. Don't be angry. Man have always cared for you. He is minister of Mughals. If you will not be there, then he will feel bad. Salim says, I told you that I am not going there. Can't you listen, Mariam Zamani? Leave me alone like you did 7 years ago. Wow. This is really getting out of hand, guys. So please, stay tuned and stay connected. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified on when I drop the next episode. Don't forget that if you're interested in watching This Is Fate, subscribe on God's Missing Hollywood TV. There you'll be getting notifications on This Is Fate. Stay tuned on when I will be uploading next video. Bye.